Fitness for busy people. Quick routines you can do anywhere in today's fast-paced world. Finding time for fitness can often seem like a daunting task. With work demands, family responsibilities, and a myriad of other commitments, hitting the gym or attending a fitness class might not always be feasible. However, maintaining a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, alternates between short bursts of intense activity and periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. This type of workout maximizes calorie burn and improves cardiovascular health in a short amount of time. HIIT workouts are incredibly efficient, often requiring only 20 to 30 minutes. They can be done at home, in a park, or even in your office. The intensity of the workout ensures that you get a full body workout in a fraction of the time of traditional exercise routines. 5-minute morning yoga stretch. Starting your day with a 5-minute morning yoga stretch can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. Yoga not only helps improve flexibility but also enhances balance and stability. It helps to awaken the body and mind, preparing you for the day ahead. In just 5 minutes, you can perform a series of simple yoga poses that target different muscle groups and promote relaxation. Begin with a gentle warm-up, such as sun salutations, to awaken the body. Then, move through a sequence of stretches that target the major muscle groups, such as forward folds, lunges, and twists. 10-minute Tabata for total body. Tabata training is a form of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, that involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief rest periods. Incorporating a 10-minute Tabata workout into your busy schedule can provide a challenging and effective total body workout. Choose a combination of exercises that target different muscle groups, such as burpees, squats, push-ups, and mountain climbers. Perform each exercise at maximum intensity for 20 seconds, followed by a 10-second rest period. Repeat this circuit for a total of 4 minutes, alternating between exercises. 8-minute cardio jump rope. Jumping rope is a simple yet highly effective cardio exercise that can be done in a small space. Incorporating an 8-minute cardio jump rope routine into your busy schedule can provide a quick and efficient way to elevate the heart rate and burn calories. Start with a warm-up, such as a light jog or jumping jacks, to prepare the body for exercise. Then, perform intervals of jumping rope at a moderate to high intensity for 30-60 seconds, followed by a brief 10-15 second rest period. Repeat this circuit for a total of 8 minutes. 7-minute full-body Pilates workout. Pilates is a low-impact form of exercise that focuses on core strength, flexibility, and overall body conditioning. Incorporating a 7-minute full-body Pilates workout into your busy schedule can provide a challenging and effective way to improve strength, flexibility, and overall fitness. Choose a combination of exercises that target different muscle groups, such as the Pilates 100, roll-ups, bridges, and planks. Perform each exercise for a set number of repetitions or a specified amount of time, ensuring proper form and control throughout the movements. Repeat the circuit for a total of 2 or 3 rounds. 9-minute lower body burn. Strengthening the lower body is essential for overall strength, stability, and functional movement. Incorporating a 9-minute lower body burn workout into your routine can target the muscles of the legs and glutes in a short amount of time. Choose a combination of exercises that target different muscle groups of the lower body, such as squats, lunges, step-ups, and glute bridges. Perform each exercise for a set number of repetitions or a specified amount of time, focusing on proper form and control throughout the movements. Repeat the circuit for a total of 2 or 3 rounds. 5-minute meditation and breathing exercise for cool down. After completing a workout or a busy day, taking a few minutes to cool down and relax can be highly beneficial for stress relief and mental well-being. Incorporating a 5-minute meditation and breathing exercise into your routine can help promote relaxation and calm the mind. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, taking slow, deep breaths in through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Allow your body to relax and release tension with each breath. You can also incorporate meditation techniques, such as visualization or repeating a calming mantra, to further promote relaxation. Spend a few minutes in this state of calm and mindfulness, allowing any stress or tension to melt away. Finding time to exercise can be challenging, but it is not impossible. These quick and efficient workouts are designed to fit into any busy schedule and can be performed virtually anywhere. By incorporating these routines into your daily life, you can maintain your fitness, boost your energy levels, and improve your overall well-being without spending hours at the gym. Remember, consistency and dedication are more important than the length of time you spend working out. Prioritize your health and make time for these quick routines. Your body and mind will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.